In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Fortnite gift card on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly redeem your Fortnite gift card on mobile so you can receive V-Bucks. As soon as you redeem your card, you will be able to spend the V-Bucks in the item shop on any platform. This includes mobile, PC, consoles such as PlayStation, Xbox, and Switch. All that you have to do is visit this website, so go over to Fortnite.com. When you arrive at this page, you will be able to sign into your Epic Games account, so tap on these three dots here and tap on the user icon that you can see right here. You will then be able to log in using your email address and password or any of the available services such as your PlayStation Network account, Microsoft account, and so on. Basically, sign into the account where you want to redeem the Fortnite gift card. Once you are properly signed in and you go to the menu, there are going to be plenty of options. You have to go over to more, and in here you will be able to find V-Bucks. So tap this option here. You will then be redirected to this page, Fortnite.com/V-Bucks card. And as you can clearly tell, this is where you will be able to redeem your Fortnite gift card. They have a description here and you will be able to see an example and all the supported devices. All that you have to do here is tap Get Started. You will then be able to include your PIN. It is found at the back of the card with this example here. You can use it as reference, and as long as you include the full PIN, you will be able to receive the V-Bucks on your Epic Games account. Like I said, it is going to be shared across all platforms, so as long as you use the same Fortnite or Epic Games account between consoles, PC, and mobile, all of your V-Bucks are going to be available and you can use them in the item shop however you wish. Just include the full PIN here, and unfortunately I don't have a gift card at hand to demonstrate this full process, but as soon as you include it here and you tap next, you will be able to redeem and confirm. So I hope I was able to help you on how to use Fortnite gift card on mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.